In today's video, I'm going to show you how to browse the voice library in ElevenLabs step by step so you can quickly explore different voices and find the one that fits your project. Whether you're looking for a voice for narration, content creation, or testing out new styles, this is the fastest way to get into the voice library and start browsing with confidence. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple ElevenLabs tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your ElevenLabs dashboard using your account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand sidebar. This is where ElevenLabs keeps the main navigation for your account. On the sidebar, click on Voices. This will open the Voice section, where you can manage and explore different voice options. After that, look for the Explore option and click it. This is the part that takes you into the voice library interface. Once the library loads, you'll be able to browse through the available voices and start discovering what ElevenLabs has to offer. From here, you can take your time exploring the different voice styles, listening to examples, and finding voices that match your needs. This is especially useful if you want to compare voices before using one in a project, or if you're still deciding on the right tone for your content. The voice library is designed to make discovery simple, so once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds to get there. So just remember the path: dashboard, voices, then explore. That's the basic workflow for browsing the ElevenLabs voice library. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next ElevenLabs walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.